What's up, everyone? Ponylover1989 here, and this will be my last video for now, as I'll have to wait for 24 hours so I could upload again. Anyway, if you guys like me to watch and react to another anime TV series called Akiba's Trip the Animation, comment down below if you want to. Anyway, this next anime title I'm going to be telling you about is Himitsu no Akko-chan. Himitsu no Akko-chan, or translated as The Secret of Akko-chan, is a popular pioneering magical girl manga and anime that ran in Japan during the 1960s. The manga was drawn and written by Fujio Akatsuka and was published in Ribbon magazine, I think, from 1962 to 1965. It predates Mahotsukai Sunny, whose name would later become Sally in Mahotsukai Sally, another popular anime that aired in the 1960s and was produced by Toei Animation. Printed in 1966. However, that title was the first magical girl anime, as Himitsu no Akko-chan did not broadcast until 1969. The original anime ran for 94 episodes from 1969 to 1970. It was animated by Toei Animation, the same animation studio that worked on Gege no Kitaro and Mahotsukai Sally, aka Sally the Witch, and it was broadcasted on the Japanese television TV Asahi, and then known as NET. It had been remade twice, in 1988 with 61 episodes featuring Mitsuko Hori with the role of Akko-chan and singing the opening and ending theme, and in 1988, and also in 1998, 44 episodes. 2 anime movies were produced, Himitsu no Akko-chan movie and Umida Obake da Natsu Matsuri. They were both released in 1989, and it was also adapted into a live-action movie released on September 1st, 2012. Currently, an adaptation of the series is running as a web manga, Himitsu no Akko-chan U, pronounced Myu, M-Y-U. It was written by Hiroshi Azawa and drawn by Futago Kamikita. The genre of this series is a comedy, magical girl, and romance, and it was produced by Toei Animation, the same animation studio that worked on Sally the Witch, Gege no Kitaro, Galaxy Express 999, Cutie Honey, Mazinger Z, Dr. Slump, Dragon Ball series, Saint Seiya, Sailor Moon, Slam Dunk, Digimon Adventure, One Piece, and many other works. The plot of the series is The plot of the series is Atsuko Kagami is a childlike, arrogant elementary school who has had an infinity for mirrors. One day her favorite mirror, which was given to Akko by her mother, or in some of her versions, in some anime versions, and by her father as present from the India version, is broken, and she prefers to bury it in her yard rather than throw it in the trash can. In her dreams, she was contacted by the spirit, or in some cases, the queen of the mirror kingdom, who is touched at the girl who would treat the mirror so respectfully and not simply throw it away. Akko-chan is now given the gift of a magical mirror and taught enchantments, Tekumaku Mayakon, and Lamipus Lulu, that will allow her to transform into anything she wishes. The only media in the franchise to be officially translated into English in the 1980s run of the manga was translated as Akko-chan's Got a Secret. The series briefly aired in the original Japanese on a California channel, KWHY-TV, in the mid-1970s as Akko-chan's Secret. Otherwise largely unknown in the English-speaking world, Himitsu no Akko-chan enjoyed a great deal of success when it was exported to the European market in the 1980s. All 3 of the anime series had been screened on television in Italy. At least I didn't know that. Anyway, this is basically all I can tell you about Himitsu no Akko-chan, or translated as The Secret of Akko-chan. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys like me to talk about, if you guys love my telling of this plot of the anime, if you guys like me to talk about more anime titles like this, comment your thoughts down below. Or if you really want me to watch and react to an entire anime TV show or a series called Pokemon, comment down below, as this is a reminder. And also, if you like this video, click a thumbs up, notify me, and don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow I'll react to another suggested video by Nate and Zach Plays, and it is Angry Birds in a Nutshell, but it's after my reaction to Mario's Castle Calamity collab by Crispy Toast, a Gmod creator, and many other talented Gmod animators and Source filmmaker animators, and Super Mario Bros. Z Episode 5, and probably a couple more videos that I haven't reacted to, especially Alex Spider's Gmod Splatoon videos, and probably Black ST's Team Fortress 2 videos. And probably the next day after that, I'll probably react to the Family Guy YouTube Poop collab, and probably also the day after that, I'll react to Pony's The Anthology 6. Anyway, this is Ponylover signing. Anyway, geez, I can't talk very well. This is Ponylover1989 signing off, and I'll see you all in the next video. Remember to stay safe, keep praying to God, God bless you, and just all you gotta do is believe. Also, do not get COVID, stay 6 feet apart, do not drink and drive, and do not do drugs. As always, that's all, folks.